Welcome to our latest tutorial on creating a stunning Masonry Facebook post grid for your WordPress site. If you're looking for a way to showcase your Facebook posts in a visually appealing and organized way, then you're in the right place. In this tutorial, we'll guide you through the process of creating a beautiful and responsive Masonry grid layout that will make your Facebook post stand out. With our step-by-step instructions, you'll be able to easily add this feature to your website and impress your visitors with your engaging content. To add a Facebook post grid to your website using Smashballoon's social post feed, follow these simple steps. Install and activate the Smashballoon social post feed plugin on your WordPress site. Connect your Facebook account to the plugin by clicking on the Connect a Facebook Account button and following the prompts. Once connected, navigate to the Customize tab and select Layout from the drop-down menu. Under Layout Type, select Grid and choose the number of columns you want to display. Scroll down to the Post Style section and choose Facebook as the post type. Customize the other settings such as Post Limit, Sorting, and Load More button as desired. Save your changes and preview the grid on your website to ensure it displays correctly. That's it. You now have a beautiful Facebook post grid on your website using Smashballoon's social post feed.